Wow, banana.
Good day. My name is Terence, the chef Then, winner of 6 Michelin stars, and I've been cooking for the past 50 years. Today, I'll be sharing with you my super secret culinary hacks for you to elevate your cooking skills. And trust me, it's going to be a life-changing experience. Damn! Now, to cook the perfect steak, many chefs will tell you to heat the pan till smoking hot. Ben,
Yes, chef.
touch the pan.
Yes, chef.
Is it hot, Ben? Yes, it's hot. Knife skills takes years to master. It's not something I could teach you, but it's something which can be demonstrated. Ben,
Yes, chef.
carrot. Carrots. Ben,
Yes, chef.
corn. Corn. Watermelon.
Yes, chef.
One freshly cut watermelon juice. The humble rustic egg. One perfect fried egg. Now, to bake the perfect cake, the secret lies in the oven. So preheat your oven to 190 degrees. And now, for the ingredients. 4 humble rustic eggs. 2 eggs. 4 eggs. Now, mix custard sugar, all-purpose plain flour. And now, you just have to stir. And now, place it in the oven, 190 degrees, 20 minutes. Now, just wait. Wow, it smells amazing. Look at that. Here we have the perfect traditional Nanyang cake. Looks absolutely stunning. At times, I would like to give my diners a surprise by hiding a piece of chocolate on their dessert. So the best place to put this chocolate would definitely be on top of this perfect cake.
No, chef. I don't think the surprise is on top. I feel it should be on the side. Like here, chef. This way. Right in the side. Yeah.
But if the customers do not finish their cake, they will not be able to find this surprise. So to me, the best place would be on the side of the cake, covered with some flowers.
Oh, that's true, chef. But destroy the cake, chef. Let me fix it for you, chef. Just need to really hide it this way. Spoon it. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. So, if I was the diner, would I be able to find the chocolate surprise? Let's give it a test. I can find it. I can find it.
Let me help you, chef.
Where is it? I found it.
Oh, yeah. Nice, chef.
So, test, pass, done. So now, where do you put it?
Let me help you, chef. I think I just put it over here. Yeah.
It looks good. Absolutely amazing, stunning, perfect dessert cake with the element of surprise. Delicious. Stunning.
Wow, banana.
Now I'm about to serve this amazing pasta dish to a diner who just ordered it. But before that, I'm going to give it a little taste to tell if the dish is well seasoned. It needs a bit more salt. Ben,
The chef,
taste.
the chef. I think for the big part, we need to add more lemon zest.
The dish is not well balanced. It needs more pepper. Ben, taste. And I'll have the final call. Absolutely stunning and delicious. Dish is ready to be served. Waiter, serve this.